the sunlight on my face, a quiet start, a gentle pace. The coffee brews, the world begins, a tiny spark of life within, and every step feels like a dance, a moment held, a fleeting chance. Life in a day, it's all we own, a patch of sky, a place called home. Life in a day, it slips away. Hold it close, don't let it stray. The streets are humming low and sweet, with every stranger that I meet. A whisper laugh, a sudden